Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this guide, I will show you the edit function of Afirstsoft PDF editor. First, import the PDF into Afirstsoft PDF editor and you will see the edit function in the toolbar at the top. Under this function, you can perform edit, add text, and crop page actions. Let me introduce them to you one by one. Edit function. With this function selected, you can modify or delete the text content in the PDF. You can also change the selected text attributes on the right. You can modify the font size, and text style. Below, there is an object function through which you can align the position of the selected text box on the page. Next, let's look at the add text function. After selecting this function, you can click on the location where you want to add text and then type the text content. The third function is crop page. With this function, you can set the page size. Click Crop Settings to change the page number unit. Under Margin Controls, you can also modify the dimensions of the four edges of the page and input numbers for precise adjustments. You can also click Fix Page Width to Height Ratio. This way, the page aspect ratio cannot be modified. In the page range, you can select the range of pages you want to apply the settings to. Then, click Apply to complete the settings for the selected pages. Okay, that's the complete introduction to the edit function in Afirstsoft PDF editor. If you're interested in this tool, you can visit the Afirstsoft website to get it. If you think this video is good, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.